with Viridian Mortgage. I'm sending you this video. I wanted to show you how to navigate your Homebot account as you're searching for homes. It's really simple. You just go to find a home up here, click on search homes, and then you can search by city or zip code. I have a saved search here for San Clemente, so we're going to click on that. And then you instantly get results of 35 homes. But you can actually customize that as well if you click on filters here. And let's just say that you can't do without at least 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and that you're tired of living with shared walls, and so you want a single-family home instead of a condo. Let's apply those filters, and then we are down to 28 results. After you enter in your budget requirements, this does all the number crunching for you. So if I was to click on, let's say, a home at 1.795, you get a result that this is a weak buy. But you can also click on see why and how much you would pay compared to your budget, how much you could possibly lose over 10 years versus renting. So let's go back to the results and look for something cheaper. I'm going to go with one at a much more affordable, let's say 1.299. And then this shows a smart buy. And again, you can click on see why. You can make adjustments here. If you are over budget, if you can find more income or a cosigner, there are adjustments that you can make to your profile. And this is a really cool tool here. This shows how much the home will likely appreciate in the future. It is defaulted to a conservative 3.25%, but if you're more optimistic, you can see how that's going to increase the amount you could possibly save versus renting over the next 10 years. Conversely, if you think that it's going to depreciate, it may turn out to be a fair buy over here versus a smart buy. So really cool tools. If you are interested in any specific property and you want to make an offer and get pre-approved, it's so easy. It is just literally one click right here, and that will notify your loan agent to prepare a pre-approval letter for you. Pretty awesome tool. For a lot of time can be saved with your home search because it crunches all the numbers for you, and you can customize it according to your own budget. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just reach out. Hope you have a great day.